Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of the drinks that help me lose belly fat naturally. For this drink, we'll need 2 cleaned organic lemons, a thumb of ginger, a stick of cinnamon, and a secret ingredient I'll be adding at the end, so stay with me till the end so you don't miss it. To start out, we'll cut out a thumb-sized ginger, scrape off the skin and grate or mince the ginger. You can also make use of ginger powder if you can get your hands on fresh ones. The next step is to cut and juice the lemons. We'll be reserving the lemon juice to be used at the end. After that, we'll cut the lemon peels into small bits, nothing fancy at all. This lemon peels will serve as the base for our fat-burning drink. This is because the lemon peels are very rich in vitamins and contain lots of antioxidants that we need for this drink. So now we'll pour about 1.5 liters of clean water into a deep pot. We add the lemon peels, the grated ginger and the cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder and set to a rolling boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you put off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes to release more of the good stuff. Strain the liquid and keep the cinnamon stick for a future use. Now it's time to add the reserved lemon juice. Pour into a glass and add your sweetener of choice. I know you're waiting for the secret ingredient, be patient, here it comes. And the secret ingredient is hot pepper. Yes, either chili or cayenne pepper. A little goes a long way. Simply add as much as you can bear. A pinch is just enough for this glass cup. Drink this 1 hour before your first meal and throughout the day for hydration and best results. And let me know in the comment section below if it works for you or if you have any question or doubt. Thank you so much for watching and please like, subscribe and share with your friends and see you in the next video. Bye bye.